Hi there and thanks for tuning in. Now this week's video is going to be quite different than the ones I've put out in the past, which have either been educational or about true life trading experiences that still hold relevance today. It's basically a celebration video, a thank you video. Thank you for all the wonderful support and following that you've shown me over the last 18 months or so. You may have noticed that we're now up to over 100,000 subscribers, which in this field is quite an accomplishment in itself. So I can't thank you enough for that. Apparently we're now going to be sent by YouTube an award, a silver YouTube play button, which will be very nice. I'll stick this in my trophy cabinet along with my other awards. There you go, you'll see my 1982 school chess champion, so it won't be alone in there. So this week's video, I'm going to recap over some of the top videos and lessons that we've covered over the journey. Now, if you're one of those that have not yet subscribed to the channel, let me encourage you to do so right now by clicking this button. Don't forget to hit that little bell notification. That way you'll be notified the moment my next video has been released. You can follow us on Instagram and of course on Facebook. And if you follow us on Facebook, you can tune in live every Monday afternoon, 2 p.m. London time, for a live streaming event where we discuss the market opportunities for the trading week ahead. You're never going to make any money trading the Forex market. Trust me, I'm a 30 years experienced veteran trader. So one of the most important videos that really set the stage for us here was one of the first videos that I put out. Remember this one? You'll never make any money trading the Forex market. Trust me, I'm a 30 years experienced veteran trader. Now this video has had almost 1 million views, and for good reason. The lesson has got to be one of the most important lessons that I think I've given when it comes to trading education. The lesson basically talks about why so many traders fail. Because they get trapped in this cycle of doom. Basically, when they butterfly from strategy to strategy, trading course to trading course, constantly tweaking what they're doing in the search for that holy grail, which hopefully by now we all know doesn't exist. Now, if you've not already watched it, I encourage you to do so after this short video. And if you have already watched it, then I encourage you to go and watch it again, because it really is one of the most powerful and important lessons that you can learn when it comes to trading. Because I think it really is the #1 reason why many fail. I spoke about the difference between trading and gambling. How for many trading is so much fun that they can't put it down. It dominates their life. It takes over their day. Now, does any of this look familiar? Now, if you're serious about being a trader, then you should treat it like a business. No one trade should be that important. Oliver. It shouldn't dominate your mind. It shouldn't be a source of entertainment. If it is, then chances are you're gambling. And we all know what happens to most gamblers. It was a great video. Really enjoyed doing that one. I spoke to you about the need for having a business plan or a trading plan. You've often heard the expression, if you don't plan ahead, chances are you'll end up in a place that you don't want to be. And that includes being on the river as well. The old expressions are the best. No plan, plan to fail. I've also given you some insights into some great trading strategies. Strategies that I and the members and Forex Signals trading community trade day in, day out. You might recall the naked swing trading strategy that looks for the high probability turning points in the market, and we do this on the daily time frame. So you don't have to be in front of your screens all day long. In fact, it's very suitable for those that have day jobs and other commitments. In fact, if you watch this video, you'll see that we've also give away a trading tool that you can download, and it does most of the work for you. Now, you may have seen the 5-minute scalping strategy video. This has proved very popular, with over 500,000 people having watched this, and the feedback has been quite amazing. Now, I still trade this strategy on a daily basis. Of course, all the rules are there on the video, but clearly you don't take every trade. You wait for the high probability setups. And of course, we discuss these inside our trading room on a daily basis. I've shared with you a proprietary trading tool, similar to the ones that the banks use. And as an ex-bank trader myself, I know what the big players are doing. I know what they're looking at. And this tool, if there ever was one, and there is not, but it's my holy grail. It's one of the main reasons why I started trading the Forex market when I left the trading pits all those years ago. Check out the video after this one, and if you want to download the trading tool itself, you can do so free of charge at forexsignals.com trading community. Now, lessons that have proved very popular are the ones on technical analysis. How to draw support and resistance lines. Points on that as well. Once we've done the weekly, we'll drop to the alert. How to correctly draw trend lines. A trend line showing us this trend. And the correct way to trade breakouts. Now, there are countless books and information out there on these subjects, but I break it down into simply, easy to understand methods that takes out all the guesswork. Now, a very popular video was how to grow your Forex account using the 8th wonder of the world. You may have heard about it, called compound interest. Einstein once said, those that understand it earn it, those that don't pay it. A very important lesson. We also give away a very powerful free expert advisor that you can download, and it ensures that if you use it correctly, then it will prevent you blowing up your trading account. Now, many of you will also be toying between using manual trading or using automation. We discussed the benefits of both methods. A very interesting topic indeed, and one that I get asked about all the time. So do go and check that video out in your own time. And trade copying. Can you really make money from copying someone else's signals? I'll talk to you about the benefits, the pros and the cons. Now, we all know the story about why trading is so great. You can literally trade from anywhere in the world. But is this really true? We discuss this in more detail in this video. Now, as you will have seen if you've already subscribed to the channel, we've got many more videos and educational material, topical videos that you can get your teeth into. So if you don't subscribe, maybe you should do so now. One that got one of the most likes in the short space of time was a true life story about the trade to Rio. Check it out, it's a real classic, and it's one that I often tell when I'm talking about my prior days in the trading pits in the city of London. So I hope you enjoyed that brief little recap there. The last 18 months or so has been huge for us here at Forex Signals, and we have you to thank for that. We've literally helped thousands of people over the last 18 months put some clarity to the world of Forex. Some it suits, some have gone on to be very successful and now trading full-time, some make a passive income, others have decided it's not for them. But one thing I will say without a doubt is that with myself here in Forex Signals, there's no BS. You won't see me lording it up in a $5 million penthouse or driving away in that latest Lamborghini. I tell you as it is. So I'd like to thank you all for subscribing in the past and look forward to welcoming you if you haven't subscribed already. Here's to the next 100,000 subscribers. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell notification. That way you'll be notified the moment the next video has been released. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and of course on Facebook. And if you follow us on Facebook, you can tune in live every Monday afternoon, 2 p.m. London time, for a live free event streaming where we discuss market opportunities for the week ahead. Thanks indeed, happy trading and good luck.